Alright. I don't know how I'm gonna start this vlog, honestly. Alright, let's just kick off, eh? If you guys watched the last vlog that I did, we got into South Australia. And as we're entering South Australia, there were signs about fruits are prohibited to go into South Australia and all that. And I had 3 bananas. 2 kilometers past the border, yes, we got stopped and someone asked if we got any fruits, and I was like, yeah man, I've got 3 bananas with me. I was just being honest. And they go, there's 0 tolerance for fruits to go into South Australia. When we got home to Sydney, you guess what? That's what I got in the mail. So I was like, what? $375 fine. As far as I understand why they imposed this rule, I think they still should allow people to declare the fruits that they're carrying into the state. So the lesson for today is, 1, do not carry fruits to South Australia. 2, if you're going into state, always check the quarantine regulations of the state that you're going in. Otherwise you're gonna get stung like me, and that's not nice. Alright guys, welcome to the vlog. This is day 3 of our trip. We are currently at Port Augusta, South Australia, checking out from the motel. We got to this motel last night, about 8 p.m. And we're heading today we're heading to Kupapiti. We might stay there for 2 nights because again, we might get there at night time. We allow us more time, like 2 nights, so we don't have to rush into Uluru the morning after. So we can explore the area a little bit. Apparently there's a tour about the opal mining, so we're gonna check that out. Now the boot's packed full of stuff and it's just ready to go. Port Augusta is not anywhere near any of the major cities in Australia, but it gets so busy because this town is just like an intersection between a couple of states. So people from the west to the east to the north, they're very likely to go through Port Augusta.
Hi! Hi! Hey, we're at Port Lake at South Augusta. We're at Salt Lake at Port Augusta. This is awesome!
We're actually looking for Woolies to get some water supply just for emergency. And the GPS brought us here. Don't know exactly what this place is, but it is still pretty awesome. Look at this lake behind me. It's pretty dry, I think pretty muddy up on that side. But down here, all this white stuff here, they're all salt. Now to prove that this is actually salt, I'm just gonna pinch a little bit here. Okay, I'm gonna have a taste. Damn, it's salty. It is salt. Not something that you find when you live in a big city like Sydney. So this is why I really encourage every one of you to go and check out Australia or just go travel. Places like these, for example.
We get down to the beat, y'all. We get down to the beat, y'all. We get down to the beat, y'all. It's like we're not going anywhere. Maybe it's because there's something in the air. And I don't even care, no, I don't even care
First time ever I've driven up to this empty. Ooh, look at this! But we're at a petrol station now, we made it. Say good morning from Kuba Piri.
Oh, look at the mobile at the front. It's like una mojata.
Welcome to Kuba Piri. Welcome to Kuba Piri. There you go. What happened was we're taking photos as we entering Kuba Piri, just down the road there, about like 1 or 2 k's away from here, and a bunch of dingoes just like come in, trying to get us. Okay, let's explore some more.
When